Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove or disable the app and file search feature on the home screen of the POCO X7 Pro. This tutorial is quick, simple and works on the latest HyperOS versions. First, let me explain briefly. This search feature allows you to quickly search for apps and files directly from the home screen. Just tap on the search feature like this. In here you can just search your apps or maybe files and many more directly on the search bar. And then but sometimes this appearance of this feature is a little bit weird on this home screen. So if you wanna remove this feature from the home screen, just follow these steps. First just long press on empty area on your screen or pinch the screen with 2 fingers to zoom out like this. And then next just tap on settings, this one, and then just go to more, this one, just tap on more, and then look for the home screen search, this one, just tap on it, and then just simply disable or turn it off on this button until the button turn into gray like this, and then just confirm it, just tap on change like this, and that's it. The app and file search feature is now removed from your home screen like this. As you can see, it's disappeared. And if someday you want to use this feature again, it's very easy. Just go back to home screen settings. Just go back to home screen settings like this, and then go to home screen and then just enable it again. So that's how you can easily remove the app and file search feature on the POCO X7 Pro. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!